How to customize the app drawer settings on Android. This tutorial shows you how to change the layout and sort order of your apps. First, long press on any empty space on your home screen to bring up the home screen options. From there, tap Settings. After that, tap App Drawer Settings from the list. At this point, you'll see a few options to customize how your app drawer looks and behaves. Following this, tap Sort Apps By to choose how your apps are ordered. You can sort them alphabetically by name, by most used, or by most recently installed, depending on what makes it easiest for you to find things. After that, tap on App Layout to change how many columns of apps appear in your drawer. A wider grid fits more apps on screen at once, while a narrower one gives each icon more breathing room. From here, if you want a dedicated search bar at the top of your app drawer, look for the Show Search Bar toggle and turn it on so you can quickly search for any app without scrolling through the full list. Following this, some devices also have a Swipe Down to Search option. Toggle this on if you'd rather pull down anywhere in the app drawer to trigger the search bar instead. Finally, once you've adjusted everything the way you want it, back out of the settings, and your app drawer will reflect the new layout straight away. That's how you customize the app drawer settings on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!